Ever wish you could just like zap away pain? Well, that's kind of the dream, right?
Yeah.
And today's deep dive,
Yeah.
we're going straight into the world of acupressure
Okay.
with this course that's promising to like be your guide to pain relief using pressure points.
Interesting.
We're talking about potentially becoming your own
Wow.
personal pain magician here.
Okay.
And apparently some of these techniques are so effective, they're almost considered secret powers.
Right.
Intrigued. I know.
It does pique your curiosity, doesn't it?
Right.
Especially considering this course comes from Eric Duchesne, a therapist with over 35 years of experience in the field.
Exactly. 35 years.
Yeah.
And he does not hold back with the claims.
Oh, really?
We're talking most effective.
Clearest. Okay. Fastest relief. All right. I mean, those are some bold statements. Those are cool. So before we get too lost in the excitement, I'm curious, what makes Duchesne's system so unique?
Well, one thing that sets it apart is the approach to teaching.
Okay.
Duchesne uses a really interesting visual method.
Okay.
Imagine a 3D model, like a virtual mannequin, highlighting each acupressure point.
Oh, wow.
You can practically see beneath the skin to understand exactly where to apply pressure.
Okay, so this isn't your grandma's acupressure book with blurry diagrams. We're talking high-tech visuals here.
Right.
But visuals aside, how does Duchesne make sure you're actually hitting the right spots?
He's all about a combined approach.
He teaches you to identify pain through both visual cues and touch. Right. So you're not just randomly pressing.
Right.
You're actually learning to read the body's pain signals and diagnose what's going on beneath the surface.
So it's a bit like detective work, right?
Yeah.
You're searching for clues to pinpoint the source of the pain.
Right.
But I'm guessing it's not just about muscle knots and tension, is it?
Right.
The source material mentioned something about different depths of pain.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Duchesne categorizes pain into 3 depths.
Okay.
Recent, intermittent, and chronic.
Okay.
And here's where it gets interesting.
Okay.
He connects these depths to different energy networks within the body.
Interesting.
Think of it like this.
Okay.
A recent injury might primarily involve the muscles and tendons.
Okay.
While a recurring headache might point to imbalances in specific energy pathways called meridians.
Okay, hold on. Energy pathways.
Yeah.
Meridians. You're speaking my language, but I need a bit of a refresher.
Okay.
What exactly are meridians?
Think of meridians as channels or rivers of energy that flow through the body. This energy, known as ki, is like the body's vital life force.
Right.
When ki flows smoothly, we feel healthy and energized.
Makes sense.
But when these pathways are blocked or imbalanced, it can lead to pain, stiffness, or even illness.
I've definitely heard of qi before, usually in the context of acupuncture.
Right.
But I always pictured it as something kind of abstract. How does Duchesne make this concept of qi in meridians practical for pain relief?
He does this by linking those 3 pain depths to specific energy systems. Recent pain often corresponds with the tendinomuscular system, which is pretty straightforward.
Right.
Intermittent pain might point to what he calls distinct meridians, kind of like smaller energy pathways. And then there are the main meridians, which come into play with chronic, deep-rooted pain.
So it's like a step-by-step system.
Exactly.
Moving from the more obvious physical signs to these deeper energy imbalances.
Yeah.
And the course provides specific techniques for each level.
Absolutely.
Wow.
He even includes a really helpful video guide, literally titled, Where Does It Hurt?
Wow.
It walks you through visually identifying the source of your pain and connecting it to the right energy system.
That's amazing. It's like having a personalized pain roadmap right at your fingertips.
Exactly.
But let's talk about the techniques themselves.
Okay.
Is it all about applying pressure with your hands, or are there other tools involved?
Right.
I mean, we did tease some secret powers earlier.
Well, this is where Duchesne throws in a really fascinating element.
What's that?
Electropuncture.
Electropuncture.
Yeah, it's like acupressure.
Okay.
But instead of using your fingers, you're using a device to stimulate the points with gentle electrical impulses.
Okay. Electropuncture.
Yes.
Okay, no, that sounds both futuristic and a little intimidating.
Right.
Is this something you need specialized training for? Or can anyone pick it up?
Duchesne actually teaches both manual acupressure and electropuncture in the course. He explains the pros and cons of each.
Okay.
So you can decide what feels right for you. Electropuncture can be particularly helpful for treating multiple points at once.
Okay.
Or for people who might have difficulty applying pressure manually.
It's like having an extra tool in your pain relief toolkit.
Exactly.
I like that idea of options.
Yeah.
But I have to admit, the whole concept of electropuncture makes me think of those sci-fi movies.
Right.
Where they use energy beams to heal people. Is there any actual science behind this?
Yeah.
Or is this more about tapping into ancient wisdom?
It's actually a bit of both.
Okay.
Acupressure itself has roots in traditional Chinese medicine, which has been practiced for thousands of years.
Right.
And while Western science is still catching up in some areas, there's growing evidence to support its effectiveness.
Like what kind of evidence?
Well, for example, some studies show that stimulating acupressure points can trigger the release of endorphins, which are natural painkillers produced by the body.
Right.
So there's definitely a physiological response happening.
That makes sense. Our bodies are pretty amazing at self-healing.
Right.
When we know how to tap into those systems. But what about those meridians and energy flow?
Right.
Is there any scientific explanation for those concepts?
That's where things get a little more complex.
Okay.
While the concept of meridians is central to traditional Chinese medicine, Western science hasn't fully mapped them out in the same way we have, say, the circulatory system.
Right.
Some researchers believe they might correspond to connective tissues.
Okay. Or pathways of electrical conductivity.
Okay.
But more research is needed.
So it's still a bit of a mystery.
Yeah.
But a fascinating one.
It is.
It seems like Duchenne doesn't shy away from either perspective.
No, he doesn't.
He embraces both the ancient wisdom and the modern scientific understanding.
Exactly.
I like that.
Yeah.
It's about empowering people to become active participants in their own well-being rather than just passively following instructions.
Right.
But speaking of instructions,
sure.
How is the course actually structured? What can people expect when they dive in?
It's surprisingly comprehensive.
Okay.
You get 24 videos dedicated to treating pain in the tendinomuscular system.
Okay.
Another 6 for distinct meridians.
Okay.
And a full 12 videos focused on the main meridians.
Wow. Plus, there are 14 videos demonstrating meridian tracing.
Wow. That's a lot of videos.
It is.
It sounds like Duchenne really wants to make sure people have a thorough understanding of the system.
He does.
But what about folks who learn best by reading?
Sure.
Are there any accompanying materials?
You're going to love this.
Okay.
In addition to all the videos, you get over 260 pages of written material.
260 pages?
Yes.
It's like he wrote an entire encyclopedia on acupressure.
I know, right?
What's in all that material?
Think of it as the ultimate reference guide.
Okay.
It covers everything from the theory behind acupressure to practical applications.
Okay.
The real gem, though, is the Comprehensive Therapeutic Index.
Okay, tell me more about this therapeutic index.
Yeah.
What makes it so special?
It's like having a treasure map to pain relief.
Oh?
Duchenne has meticulously detailed over 160 specific pain treatments.
Wow.
Each one targeting a different area or condition.
Okay.
So whether you're dealing with headaches, back pain, digestive issues, or even insomnia, you'll find targeted solutions in this index.
That's incredible. It's like he's handing you the keys to unlock relief for pretty much any type of pain imaginable.
He is.
And with the videos and written materials combined, it's like having a personal acupressure coach right at your fingertips.
Exactly. And it goes beyond just treating symptoms.
Okay.
Duchenne emphasizes understanding the root causes of pain and addressing them holistically.
Okay.
He even includes exercises and practices to help you integrate these principles into your daily life.
So it's not just about quick fixes.
Right.
It's about empowering people to take control of their long-term health and well-being.
Exactly.
I love that approach. It's about understanding that your body has an incredible capacity for self-healing.
Yeah.
And acupressure can be a powerful tool to unlock that potential.
Absolutely.
I couldn't agree more.
Yeah.
But before we get too carried away with the possibilities, let's bring it back to our listeners.
Sure.
We've covered a lot of ground here.
We have.
From the basics of acupressure to some pretty advanced concepts. What are some key takeaways you hope people walk away with? For me, it's that acupressure is about so much more than just like pressing points.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
It's about understanding how our bodies, energy, and even emotions are interconnected.
Right. It's like Duchenne is saying, don't just mask the pain.
Yeah.
Listen to what it's trying to tell you.
Exactly.
And that's powerful stuff.
It is.
Yeah.
And it speaks to that desire so many of us have.
Right.
To take control of our own well-being. With this system, you're not just relying on a practitioner.
Right.
To, like, fix you. You're becoming an active participant in your own healing.
Exactly. And I love that he gives you multiple paths to explore.
Me too.
Whether you resonate with the ancient wisdom of meridians.
Yeah.
Or prefer a more science-backed approach.
Right.
There's something here for everyone.
Absolutely there is.
Yeah.
That's the beauty of it. It meets you where you are in your understanding.
So as we wrap up our deep dive into Duchesne's acupressure course, I'm curious what's resonating most with you, dear listener.
Yeah.
What are you thinking about?
What's coming up for you?
Yeah, what's coming up for you?
Yeah.
Perhaps you're intrigued by the idea of diagnosing pain through touch, or maybe the concept of meridians and energy flow has sparked a new curiosity.
Right.
Whatever it is, I encourage you to keep exploring.
Yeah.
Look for those aha moments that click for you. Because the most effective healing journey is often one that's personally tailored.
I agree.
Right.
Yeah. You got to find what works for you.
Find what works for you.
And it might be a combination of things.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And, hey, if some aspects of this system feel a little outdated at first, approaching it with an open mind can lead to some really incredible discoveries.
Absolutely.
So keep that in mind.
Keep an open mind.
As you move forward on your pain relief journey.
Yes.
Thanks for joining us for this deep dive, and we'll see you in the next one.
See you later.